This is another episode of Yaad Reviews. This is Simon the Writer, and we're here at the Brazil All-Stars versus Jamaica All-Stars match at the National Stadium. As you can see, the game has started. Some of the greats from Brazil, Rivaldo, Edmilson, are on the field right now, playing against a mixture of our legends, Tapper Whitmore, Bibi Gardner, and youngsters from Manning Cup and all over. Should be an exciting encounter. We are going to enjoy it, and we hope you enjoy it. Scene Red, Yaad Reviews, Simon the Writer, we're there. Alex. So it's halftime. Jamaica up 1-0 thanks to a penalty. Hopefully we get a chance to talk to some of the players, see what is going on. The crowd has been nice, responding. We get to see a few tricks and a few flicks, you understand? So the game, it's picking up, and I look forward to a very exciting second half. This is Simon the Writer. I'm here, Scene Red Yaad Reviews, with the future of Jamaican football. We have Chevron Stewart and we have Zelana Barnes. How did it feel playing with these national ballers, these legends, being on the same field as Rivaldo? How did it feel?
Well, I grew up hearing about all these players, and it was a fantastic opportunity that I got from Ballers International to go out and represent myself against these world stars.
That's great.
Well, it was an exciting atmosphere, and I was fortunate enough to watch some of the greatest and to play against and rub shoulders with the greatest. So it was a really good experience for me.
And not only was it playing, but you won the game. I mean, you guys know National Stadium from schoolboy football, national. Now you're here with legends. I mean, it must be great to share the field with all of these people. What do you think?
Well, as I say, it's like a dream come true. I just wish they were maybe like a little bit younger, so it could be, you know, when they're at their peak, but I'm still grateful for the opportunity.
All right, well, you heard it here. Jussbuss TV, Scene Red, Yaad Reviews, Future. Glad to see you guys. Yeah, man. This is Simon the Writer here with Ricardo, Bibi Gardner, World Cup player. How did it feel having this event in Kingston, bringing these stars? I mean, I know you're used to the stars being from Premier League and World Cup, but how it feel to bring them here to Jamaica?
It's a great feeling, it's a great atmosphere, especially having the boys from the 98 squad coming back, uniting back together. I mean, that for me is one of the best time of my playing career, being amongst these players, and it's good to have them back and being out there on the field again with them. It was a joyful feeling.
And not only reuniting with the 98 team, but playing with the youngsters as well, the future of Jamaica. How did it feel bringing these youngsters together to play against Brazil?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's a great initiative to have these youngsters involved with these quality players that have done so much in their footballing career, and rubbing shoulders with them today can only get better for them, and we just want to wish them all the best and hope that they continue to work hard and continue to believe in their talent, and know that they are not competing with the players in Jamaica, but they are competing with South American, and they are competing with Africans, and they are competing with people who are already coming through the academy systems in Europe. So we just want to wish them all the best, and it's great to be out there with them today. We can see they're having fun, and they were enjoying the game.
Thank you very much. Scene Red, Yaad Reviews, it's Simon the Writer with
Rashid the Guna.
So Rashid will finally beat Brazil. 2-1.
Finally scored some goals too. And it was great. It gave us so much nostalgia, seeing all these players, Ricardo Gardner, Andy Williams, Walter Boyd on the field again. I felt like it was, in 98, and you have the vibes building up for days, weeks coming into the game, and you're thinking you can't sleep. I felt that way coming into the ground tonight, and it was great to see these players back again and also integrated with the youngsters.
I love the integration, and I think what I like the most about it is that the crowd looked happy to be here watching football. I think that even though the crowd could have been a little bit bigger, I feel like there was a certain atmosphere that this brought that I think can inspire more people to come to games. And you know what? It gave me a very positive outlook on the future of Jamaican football, especially some of the performances of the youngsters. I feel good that they came on the field, play against Rivaldo, Edmilson, and top players, and won the game.
No, I want to say that the Brazilians, I like what I saw from Rivaldo, I like what I saw from Edmilson, especially in the second half. Their touches on the ball, reminiscent of what we know them to be legends for.
Yeah. So they played hard, we played hard, we got a victory. Just a friendly match, but at the same time, a big confidence
And
booster.
we got to see some of Walter Boyd's skill.
The pearl, the black pearl.
Can't leave that out. That was my favorite part of the game.
So it was really good, but this is Scene Red Yaad Reviews, giving you something different, something exciting. Looking forward to future Yaad Reviews. Pierce, what's that, Pierce? Lock off that.